Now, Channel 3 early warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Bruce DePriest.
Well, this morning, roads were very slick in portions of eastern Connecticut due to freezing drizzle. And Jeff Aborn sent in this photo. He lives in Staffordville, and you can see that there was a little thin layer of ice on his car. And he also said there was some ice on the deck as well. Freezing drizzle can cause nightmares, even though it is not very heavy at all. All right, early warning pinpoint Doppler shows that we're dry across the state right now. In fact, the clouds are breaking up. We have the clearest skies in southwestern Connecticut. Right now, elsewhere, the sky is mostly cloudy or overcast. There's our iCam in Hartford, where the current temperature is 31 degrees. It barely made it above freezing today due to the clouds and that cold north wind. 31 degrees in New Haven as well, where the sky is partly cloudy. We're in the 20s already in places like Meriden, Waterbury 25. It's 24 degrees in Salisbury at the moment, and in northeastern Connecticut, Putnam is 28 degrees. And with this northwest wind that's averaging 5 to 15 miles an hour, we have a wind chill as low as 12 in Torrington and Salisbury, 13 in Waterbury, and it feels like 20 degrees in Meriden. So it's definitely a bundle-up evening if you're going outside. Now, looking at the big view, you can see that we have a storm well offshore. Now, we still have a lot of clouds over most of Connecticut, but you see that the clouds are breaking up in places like Danbury and Bridgeport. And I think we'll see some clearing as we go through the evening across the rest of the state before clouds return later on tonight. So here's FutureCast showing how the clouds will behave, clearing this evening. Then later on tonight, as we go into the morning hours, that's when we start to see an increase in cloud cover. So it should be mostly cloudy for the morning commute. Snow showers into the northwestern hills as we go through the late morning, snow showers in the western hills and maybe even elsewhere in parts of the state. And then as we go into the afternoon, maybe a few leftover snow showers, or perhaps even a few raindrops in southeastern Connecticut. Then we should be dry as we go into tomorrow evening. As far as snowfall goes, again, this is just an estimate. Some places could get a dusting, maybe a half an inch to an inch in some places. So it's not out of the question that between tomorrow morning and around midday, before temperatures rise above freezing, there could be some slick travel in some parts of the state, but it's not going to be a widespread problem as we go through tomorrow morning. So lows tonight in the 20s, some upper teens in the normally colder spots before the clouds arrive later tonight. And then tomorrow should be a little bit better than today as far as the temperature goes. Yes, it will likely stay in the 30s in the Litchfield Hills, but a lot of the state should get up to around 40, maybe even the low 40s along the I-95 corridor. All right, so here's your 7-day forecast. We'll end the week very pleasant. Thursday and Friday, partly to mostly sunny, 46 on Thursday, and right up there close to 50 on Friday. It looks like we'll have some showers developing on Saturday with a high of 52. Sunday's forecast is in question. Right now we're forecasting 50s and showers, but if we get some colder air coming down from the north, we may have to lower that temperature. And the forecast for Monday and Tuesday, we're cautiously optimistic will be dry and cold. But some of the guidance models are also forecasting a coastal storm. For now, we're keeping it dry and cold with highs near 40. For the shoreline tomorrow, a high of 42 and mostly cloudy.